Do you think you know everything there is to know about general knowledge? Well, put your knowledge to the test with our general knowledge quiz. We've got a captivating lineup of 20 questions, each armed with 3 possible answers. You'll have 4 seconds to choose your response before we reveal the correct answer. So strap in, keep your wits about you, and remember, every second counts. Are you ready to start? Here comes the first question. Question 1. What is the capital of Australia? Is it A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, or C. Canberra? Time starts now. And the answer is C. Canberra. Moving on to question 2. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Is it A or B, Ag, or C, Ga? Your time begins. The answer is A, O. For question 3. Who was the first president of the United States? A. George Washington, B. Thomas Jefferson, or C. Abraham Lincoln? Your time starts now. And it's A. George Washington. On to question 4. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, or C. Earth? Your countdown begins, and the answer is A. Jupiter. Finally, question 5. What is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon, B. Nile, or C. Yangtze? Your time starts now. And the answer is B. Nile. That's it for the first 5 questions. How are you doing so far? Don't worry if you missed any, there's still plenty of quiz left. Ready for the next round? Here's question 6. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Is it A. Earth, B. Saturn, or C. Jupiter? Take a moment. And the answer is C. Jupiter. Moving on to question 7. Which famous novel features the characters Scout, Jem, and Boo Radley? Is it A. To Kill a Mockingbird, B. The Catcher in the Rye, or C. Lord of the Flies? Think it through. It's A. To Kill a Mockingbird. Next up, question 8. Who was the President of the United States in 2021? Was it A. Donald Trump, B. Joe Biden, or C. Barack Obama? And the answer is B. Joe Biden. Question 9. A little math for you. What is the square root of 64? Is it A. 6, B. 8, or C. 10? Time's up. The answer is B. 8. Finally, question 10. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, or C. Canberra? And the answer is C. Canberra. We're halfway through now. Keep going, you're doing great. Let's move on to question 11. What is the square root of 144? Is it A. 12, B. 14, or C. 16? I'll give you a moment to think. And the answer is A. 12. Well done to those who got it right. Question 12. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Is it A. Harper Lee, B. J.D. Salinger, or C. Mark Twain? Tick tock, tick tock. The answer is A. Harper Lee. Now on to question 13. What is the capital of Australia? Is it A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, or C. Canberra? And your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Canberra. Question 14. How many elements are there in the periodic table? Is it A. 118, B. 150, or C. 160? Your time is up. The answer is A. 118. And finally, question 15. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Was it A. Buzz Aldrin, B. Neil Armstrong, or C. Michael Collins? Time's up. The answer is B. Neil Armstrong. Just 5 questions left. Will you get them all right? Here we go, the final round. Question 16. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Is it A. Mark Twain, B. Harper Lee, or C. J.D. Salinger? Let's count down. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Harper Lee. Moving on to question 17. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Is it A. Venus, B. Mars, or C. Jupiter? And the clock is ticking. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Mars. Question 18. Who painted The Starry Night? Is it A. Pablo Picasso, B. Vincent van Gogh, or C. Claude Monet? Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Vincent van Gogh. On to question 19. In which sport is the term hole-in-one used? Is it A. Basketball, B. Golf, or C. Tennis? Counting down. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Golf. Finally, question 20. What is the capital of Australia? Is it A. Sydney, B. Canberra, or C. Melbourne? Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Canberra, and that's it. You've completed the general knowledge quiz. How many did you get right? Wow, what a ride that was. You've navigated through 20 questions, testing your wits and memory. Whether you nailed them all or missed a few, give yourself a pat on the back. You've shown dedication, curiosity, and the spirit of a true learner. Don't stop here, keep that spark alive. Let's meet again in another exciting quiz where we'll dive deeper into the ocean of knowledge. Remember, knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep challenging yourself. Until next time, goodbye.